Urology clinic visit gone off script.
Doctor, are you able to ejaculate?
Me are right now? Man, I embarrassed myself. Apparently, the doc just meant is it physically possible? Not please demonstrate, but like, who'd catch that right away?
Yeah, no. That one's on you.
Bro's got social scale issues. Wrong answers to simple questions. Classic.
Depends on why you went to the urologist in the first place.
Also, the doc misunderstood my panicked reply and went.
Well, things like ejaculatory dysfunction do exist.
That's when I realized we were not on the same page. Imagine being the doctor and saying, well, while the patient thinks you're asking them to go for it right now.
Honestly though, low-key professional save? Doc realized the awkwardness, but let me figure it out gently. Pro.
Wait, what were you even there for?
Me ED not super bad, just kinda meh performance.
I want to go to the hospital too, but like, do they actually look at it?
Me oh yeah, they look, and they squeeze the BLLS too. Then they hit you with the can you ejaculate? Line.
Oh, you didn't mess up. I would have gotten flustered too. They're basically seducing you. Bro, not really, but you get it.
What if I said yes and actually went for it right? There would I get arrested?
If they said, "Are you doing it right now?" instead, that'd be easier to understand.